a neoclassical facade like this with modern interiors, best of both the worlds, amazing construction. This is your host Dhruv. We are from Anant Realties, and today we're going to showcase to you a brand new 300 square yards builder floor in a gated locality of Sushant Tok 1. 24/7 round the clock security, a north facing builder floor, entirely Vastu compliant. Let me give you a brief of the floor plan of this beautiful builder floor. We have 2 rooms in the front, which is a 3rd bedroom, a guest bedroom. Right now we are in the living and dining room, as you can see, with a beautiful Satvario marble placed on the wall and a beautiful veneer work with illuminations on the wall. And how can we forget this beautiful chandelier? Right now we are in the foyer section. This is the foyer. On my right is the floor entrance. On my left is a powder room which connects with the guest room as well, and this is a family lounge. To give you a brief of the floor plan of this area, we have 2 rooms at the back side, and you can see the kitchen on the back as well. So this family lounge is a very space that you can very easily put your TV over here. You get split ACs throughout the house. There is no ductable air conditioning. Split ACs are the future. Zero maintenance, next to zero maintenance is there. Very less problems occur in a split AC. Let me give you a brief of the specifications here. So on this wall, we see a texture paint which has never been done before, or some people might have done, but this is something new which is in fashion these days. It's a texture paint. It's a dual leather paint. So there are 2 layers that have been put on this wall. A beautiful light hanging from the ceiling as well. Now let me showcase to you this beautiful master bedroom, which is in the dimensions of 18 feet in length. And let's see the width of this room. So जो इसकी फ्लोर की जो width है वो हमारी 11 feet. So 18 by 11 is a decent size. So now let me showcase to you a beautiful bathroom with sensor lights here as you enter. This bathroom has the cupboards inside the bathroom as well. So there are 3 full cupboards here with a fluted glass fitting. ये जो bathroom है पूरा टाइल से finished है. अगर मैं आपको नहीं बताता कि ये टाइल है तो आप सोचते कि ये मार्बल है. But look at the groovings done on this tile on the wall as well. So if I tell you the specifications of all the bathrooms, it's a mix of Grohe and Vitra in sanitary ware and bathware. The ACs are from Daikin, and this is a beautiful master bedroom with a bedside placement over here, and you get a Italian marble stone on the wall as well. This is connected with the backside balcony. And now let me show you the other room which is of the same specifications and same dimensions. So again, as we enter this room, you can make this also as your master bedroom. And again, as you can see on my back, that we have a textured paint on the wall. This comes your TV cabinet, and this is also connected with your backside balcony. So this is also with the dimensions of 18 by 12. Now let me showcase to you the beautiful bathroom of this floor. Cupboards are inside, and now let's check out the kitchen, guys. It's a fully fitted kitchen. It's a modular kitchen with the tones of beige, cream and browns. Lots of storage. In the white goods, we can tell you that we get a caf, microwave, oven. We get a Daikin AC also in the kitchen, a space for your double door refrigerator. We get cap, chimney, we get a hob, and then we also get a caf dishwasher here as well. Plenty of space for to do the dishes, and we have ample of storage here in the kitchen. So now let's move to the front side of the house. We're now in the guest room, of this builder floor, यूजली गेस्ट रूम क्या होता है, बहुत निगलेक्टेड स्पेस होता है, ठीक है, लोग ज़्यादा उसके ऊपर इंटीरियर का काम नहीं करते हैं, बट अजय भैया हैज़ डन अ अमेजिंग जॉब in decorating this guest room. So if you see this bedside wall, this is done in a wall finish, a proper hard wall, okay, with a cream finish. We get the cupboards inside this room as well. We get a 2-ton Daikin AC, as we showed in this beginning of the video, that the powder room is connected with the guest room. Now let's check out the front side room, which is the bedroom number 3. So again, texture paint on the walls, on the bedside. We get amazing designer lights over here hanging from the ceiling. That's gonna be a TV cabinet space. Beautiful false ceiling, which has been done throughout the builder floor, guys. Again, Daikin AC is here. इसका washroom बहुत ही amazing है. जो color scheme use हुई है ना इस bathroom में, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. Again, PU matte finish on the wardrobes here with sensor lights. Now, you tell me guys in the comment section कि ये marble है ये टाइल. आप comment section में को बताओ. Now this is a vanity section. Again, Vitra fittings and Grohe fittings throughout the bathroom. Okay, we get sanitary ware and bathware from Vitra. Again, beautiful partitions have been done. Now, let me showcase to you this beautiful drawing and dining space. अब आप देखो इसमें यहाँ पे अपनी डाइनिंग टेबल लगा सकते हो, और second option is to place the dining table there in the family lounge area, which is near to the kitchen as well. So we get a lot of feedbacks that usually kitchen से थोड़ा सा दूर हो जाता है dining space, पर आप dining space वहाँ भी लगा सकते हो, and you can place it under this beautiful chandelier as well. Satwario stone on the wall. Now let me tell you the pricing and availability of this floor. So right now we have the 3rd floor and the 4th floor with the terrace. So जो हमारा 4th floor है, that is in the asking of 5.90. 3rd floor with an asking of 4.90. All these asks are negotiable. Please do call us on the number which is mentioned in the description. And guys, do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for future videos. This is your host Dhruv signing off.